in this election? Well, I thought that I would put out this video just to explain, I guess, my thoughts as it relates to the candidates. And of course, I'm going to talk to you about the Democrats. I don't fuck with the Republicans. I'm sorry. Don't want to offend anyone. But that's not how I roll, okay? Well, first, we have Miss Cold Vagina. It's like I call her. She's like a pack of hot dogs in your freezer that you forgot about. That's how it is down here, I bet. It's just cold, cold. That's why Bill Whitney philandered all over the place. But anyway, I think she's a strong bitch. I think she could probably run the country. She can't run a household, but I'm sure she could run the country. She probably can't cook eggs, bacon, or grits, but I'm sure she could run the country. Now, Obama, he looks like he's kissed a hot frying pan or something, but his body, it kind of looks kind of nice, right? Oh yes, it kind of looked nice. Saw him on the beach. He was walking around and his body was out, and I said, look at him. Ooh, he looks like a president coming. Well, I think this is how I determined who got my vote. I thought to myself, when you think of a lot of the candidates that have been great presidents, such as JFK, you have Bill Clinton even. Well, I think a lot of times, what do they have in common? They love to fuck, right? They do. So I think that the next president should be someone sexual. And that counts out Hillary. I'm sorry, Hillary, but the truth is we know that coochie has not been touched in years. And I don't know how that's going to affect the White House, because you seem angry. And you know, when you're angry like that, somebody's not getting sex. So I'm going to have to give it to Obama. You know his wife will not let him not give her sex. She looked like she needed it every day. Whew. She looked like one of them project chicks to me. But okay, Obama, you pick who you